Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today we will try to know about multiplication of integers. So you have given here some working rules. So first of all, you have to read the following rules to find the multiplication of integers. Okay. Take two numbers, say a and b. Consider the sign of a and b in the following way. When all of them are of the same sign, that is both positive or both negative, then the product would be positive and answer would be positive a into b. But when they are the different sign, that is one positive and the other negative, then the product would be negative and answer would be minus a into b. Okay. Look at here. When the factors have unlike signs, then follow the patterns of the signs given below, like minus multiply plus, minus into plus, minus plus minus. Okay, plus minus, plus minus minus, and minus plus minus, plus minus minus, minus plus, minus minus plus. So we can say that the product of two negative makes a positive. Product of two negatives makes positive, and the product of one positive and other negative makes negative. Okay. In shortly, even number of negative factors when multiplied gives a positive factors, and odd number of negative factors when multiplied gives a negative factors. You can see the given example here. Minus minus minus. Here, when multiplied, 8 and 2, that means plus minus minus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus. So here, odd number of negative factors. Here, odd number of negative factors when multiplied gives a negative factor. Clear? You can see the given example and try to understand. Now, second term is power of integers. Power of integers. Multiplying an integer a by itself n times. How many times? N times. Is a multiply a multiply a multiply dot 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 a. That means n times. So it is written as a to the power n. A to the power n. Here a is called the base and n is called the exponent or index, or you can say power. Okay. Now we have to follow the working rules to find the value of given power, given exponents. Like, first of all, we have to observe the sign of integer a. If a is positive, then a to the power n would be positive. If a is negative and n is even, then a to the power n is positive. If a is negative and n is odd, then a to the power n is negative. And step 4, a to the power n is equal to sign defined by step 2 or step 3 multiplied a to the power n. Look at some example. Here minus 5 to the power 2. Minus 5 to the power 2. So we can write minus 5 multiply minus 5. When we have to find minus 5 to the power 2, then we have to write first minus 5 into minus 5 2 times. Why? Because here the exponent is 2. So minus 5 into minus 5 we get 25. How? Here minus into minus. Minus minus plus. And 5 5s are 25. Second example, minus 5 to the power 3. Here base is negative but n is positive. Positive odd number. So answer will be negative. Minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 means 3 times. That means odd power. So minus minus plus minus minus. See the step 3. When a is negative and n is odd, then answer is a to the power n is negative. So answer will be negative. Okay. Now we will see some questions from exercise 4. First question. The sign of the product of two negative integers is 2 negative. The sign of the product of two negative is positive. How? Minus into minus we get plus. Okay. So when we have two product of two negative integers, then answer will be positive. Okay. Now question number 2. The value of minus 9 into minus 2 plus minus 9 into 4 is. So guys, look at here. Question number 4. Sorry, exercise 4, question number 1 of 2. The value of minus 9 into minus 2 plus minus 9 into 4. So first we multiply this. Minus 9 into minus 2. Here minus minus plus minus minus plus and 9 to the 18. Okay. Now plus minus minus plus minus minus and 9 for the 36. So here 18 minus 36 we get 18. Question number 3. minus 3 to the power 4 into minus 1 to the power 3 into minus 5 to the power 2 means minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 4 times. Okay, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 3 times. Here minus 1 to the power 3, so we write 3 times minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 5 to the power 2 means minus 5 into minus 5 2 times. Okay, so first we need to multiply the sign. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus. Here negative number, negative factor is even, so answer will be positive. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is sorry, first we multiply two negative numbers. 3 3 is 9 and minus minus plus. Second, minus minus plus 3 3 is 9. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus 1 and minus minus plus 5 5 is 25. So 9 9 is 81. Multiply minus 1 into 25 we get minus 25 and minus 25 into 81 we get minus 2025. Okay, now go for question number 2. Multiply 5 multiply minus 4. Here plus minus minus and 5 4 is 20. Minus minus plus 8 6 is 48. Minus plus minus 4 5 is 20 and multiply minus 6 we get minus minus plus 26 is 120. So guys, I hope you will understand this shift speak and try to solve the next question of this exercise clearly. Okay, that's all. Thank you.